Hi parents! Welcome back to our baby food playlist. Today, we're preparing 3 gentle and nutritious fruit purees: peach, apple, and pear. Perfect for babies starting solids from 6 months. Stay with us until the end, because we'll share essential feeding and safety tips every parent should know.
Peach puree. Cut a ripe peach in half. Remove the pit. Steam for about 10 to 15 minutes until soft. Peel. Press through a fine strainer for a smooth texture. Add a little breast milk or formula. Stir until creamy. Benefits: rich in vitamin C and antioxidants for immunity, naturally sweet, gentle on digestion. Apple puree. Peel an apple, remove the core and seeds. Steam until soft. Press through a sieve and mash well. Add breast milk or formula to adjust texture. Benefits: high in fiber for digestion, vitamin C for immunity, mild flavor most babies love. Pear puree. Peel a ripe pear. Cut in half. Steam until soft. Strain and mash until smooth. Add a little breast milk or formula. Mix to desired consistency. Benefits: hydrating, rich in fiber, helps with constipation, very gentle for sensitive tummies.
If you find these recipes helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our baby food playlist for more safe, simple, and expert-approved recipes. Now, let's talk about responsive feeding, an important step recommended by the World Health Organization and the American Academy of Pediatrics. Watch for your baby's hunger cues: leaning forward, opening mouth, sucking on fists, looking at food with interest. And respect the signs of fullness: turning head away, closing mouth, pushing food away, slowing down eating, or becoming easily distracted. Responding to these signals helps babies build a healthy relationship with food, prevents overfeeding, and supports self-regulation. Extra safety tips: start with smooth textures, then gradually increase. Always supervise feeding. Avoid juices, honey, or added sugar. Offer one new food at a time, and wait 2 to 3 days before adding another. Thanks for watching. These peach, apple, and pear purees are not only easy to make, but also full of nutrients your baby needs for healthy growth. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our complete baby food playlist for more expert guidance on safe and healthy complementary feeding. See you in the next video. Bye!